I have tried and failed starting celery from store-bought celery. And this is the first time I actually had roots. And what I did differently is I normally cut down to here and then try to grow from that. And I guess that was not enough, or I didn't. And then I left these to grow a lot bigger. And I was about to chuck this up as another fail when I lifted up and noticed all the rooting. Like I said, never happened before. So I got 4 of them started, and this is the biggest one. So, and I'm going to plant it in here with my turmeric. I got the 2 big pots, so I'm going to go ahead and put 2 into each one. Get the roots going down a little bit more. There we go. Well, they'll figure it out. Plants are designed so. I'm going to go ahead and plant all 4 of them, get them off my countertop. I actually ended up planting the biggest one to sprout and the smallest one to sprout because they had the longer roots. The other 2, the roots aren't more than a couple of inches at best. And these were all, had some 4-inch long roots on them. So I'll wait for the other ones and keep them in the window and then plant them to the other planter when they get longer. Turmeric is doing really well. So I'm excited about that. As long as I may have to do something so that the chickens don't jump up here. I hadn't seen them get onto the big pots, but the smaller ones they did. That's why there's a cage on that one, because they were definitely in there and scratched the heck out of that plant. But they hadn't gone into that one or this one. There's the other turmeric, which will get the celery. Thanks for watching me. Be a blessing and be blessed.